Hello everyone, my name is Chaz and welcome to Be There Soon. So today we're going to be talking about a way to make extra income when it comes to Uber Eats. We've been working with Uber Eats Connect for about a year now and found that we can maximize our earnings doing Uber Eats Connect. Now a lot of times if you're going to use Connect, and hopefully you guys have this feature as well, when you use Connect, it will slow down the orders you get. And that's the only issue that I noticed that we have when we use Connect. And if you're chasing the red zones like this, sometimes will not last long. Now, the fun feature about Connect, when you turn it on, automatically tell from the back that your orders are being multiplied. It will be $7 more per order, $12 more per order. We've had instances where we've even had $30 per order, $30 more per order, and it's mind-boggling how it works. Now, Connect is supposed to be for packages, but it is inevitable that everything that goes through Uber Eats is considered a package to Connect. We're going to take a couple examples right now. All right, now let's look at this example right here. Now in this example, the customer only tipped $5, but we got $40. Fare was automatically at $35. The base pay was $13. Surge was an extra $22 plus the tip, which was $5. Once you turn Connect on, you're going to see these red spots sometimes during the weekday, sometimes. Not all the time. In my market, it's pretty much past 9 o'clock. Sometimes it's red everywhere. When it comes to other markets, I'm not sure how they function. Same thing with this example right here. We made $36.02. We had, again, the fare was $30.34. The base pay was $28 on this order. The surge was only $2.25, but the base pay was tremendous because of the Connect being on. $5.68 tip. We earned $36 on that trip there. Let's take a look at another example here with Connect being on. This one we had a $14 base pay, $21 surge, and a $10 tip. $10.08 tip. So altogether it came out to $45.08. And if you look at the times and the mileage on this one was 12.6 miles, and it only took me 33 minutes. Now, as you can see, this map right here, you see the $9.25 surge. You can see a $7.75 surge. I'm going to record when we get the bigger surges, that way you guys can see. But yes, Connect is definitely the way you want to make your money. But like I said, turning on Connect will slow down your orders. That's the only drawback that I've noticed from working Connect for a whole year already. Main drawback is that you will be waiting for orders. Even if you're in a red zone, you're going to be waiting for orders. As you can take a look at these red zones here, it makes sense to still check them out in your area, depending how far it is from you. You don't want to do that if it's too far. Now, this is the most recent one we have done. We did one for $27.58. The base pay was $7. The surge was $7. Promotion was $2, and we had a boost for $2, and the customer tipped $11.56. Altogether, we made $27.58, which was pretty good. The time it took us, 39 minutes. The distance was only 5.7 miles. 5.7 miles for $27.58. Pretty good deal with me. Now, are you able to turn on Connect and use it whenever you want? Yes. Are you able to use Connect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Yes. If you want to try it out during the weekend, I believe it's the most in my market, in the Austin market, the surges during the weekends are amazing. Uber like amplifies that up even more. You do not need UberX on. You do not need Uber Pets on. All you need is to turn on Uber Eats and Uber Connect. That's all you need. The crazy part is Connect, when you turn it on, you would think you're gonna deliver packages because that's what it says, right? It says it here. Let me show you guys. What is Uber Connect? Uber Connect is an option that allows you to request a driver to transport your packages to a person waiting at a designated drop-off location. You can also request a package to be sent to you from a designated sender as well. Is Uber Connect only for packages? Uber Connect is an easy same day no contact delivery situation solution that allows people to send items, whether it's a care package for a loved one, a gift for his friend's birthday, an item you sold online, or an important business document. No postage required. When you turn on Connect, you hardly get those orders. The only orders that pop up are food delivery orders that you're able to use Connect with. And this has been going on for a year and some change now, where you turn on Connect and it's not giving packages. It's just only Uber Eats orders with high paying and low mileages, which is amazing. A lot of times I don't even turn on Uber unless I have Connect on because the orders are like maximized, you know? But like I said, be wary because these orders, those red zones, if you drive to it, a lot of the times they will leave. It's the same thing with DoorDash. A lot of times when you get to a red hotspot in DoorDash, once you get to the area, it's gone. You know, it's so just think about it that way. If you're doing DoorDash and you see a red zone and you automatically go to a red zone and it disappears. It's the same thing with this, but unlike DoorDash, Uber Eats Connect will slow down your orders. I can't stress that enough, guys. Just want to give you guys a little information about Uber Connect. Not too many people talk about it. I haven't heard people talk about it like at all. If you guys have the Uber Connect option on, I completely highly recommend you try it at your own risk, of course, because like I said, it will slow down orders. And if you're trying to make money, those constant orders, they're not going to come in. But you want to utilize that. You want to make it your own. And if you're one of those hustlers that go out during the nighttime after 12 midnight, this is perfect for you as well. Like I said, I have tried it during lunchtime. It does give you red zones, but the surges aren't as great as the nighttime. I'm just happy that I can give you guys this information. A lot of times I've been looking for stuff on Connect as well. Like, does anyone use it? You know, like who uses this? And I just want to know, do you guys use Connect? If you have used Connect, I just want to know your experiences with Connect because for a year and some change already, Uber Connect has been pretty good to me in my market, at least. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Chaz. Be there soon.